Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant error code VAN79. If you're facing this issue, I have 7 different tips for you. Let's start with number 1, check for Windows updates. Let's ensure that your operating system is up to date. Head over to the search bar, type check for updates, click on open, and check for updates. If there are any pending updates, make sure to install them. Once everything is up to date, close the window. Step 2 is to update graphics drivers. If you're using the NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience. Click on the drivers tab on the top left. And then click on check for updates. If an update is available, install it to keep your graphics card updated. And once done, adjust your display settings to the recommended resolution and set the display mode to full screen. And once you're finished, click apply. Now, the third step is to restart the Vanguard service. So let's restart the Vanguard service. Go to search bar, type services, click open, look for VGC service, double click it, set the startup type to automatic, and click apply and OK. After that, right click on the VGC service and click start. Close the window once you're done. The issue persists, try reinstalling Vanguard. Go to the search bar, type control panel, and click open. Select uninstall a program, find Riot Vanguard. It's right here, right click on it and choose uninstall. After it's uninstalled, open Valorant and it will prompt you to reinstall Vanguard. Install it and restart your PC. The third step is to run Valorant as an administrator. If you're still facing the issue, try running Valorant as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as Administrator and check if the error is resolved. The next step is to check Firewall Settings. So you want to ensure that your firewall isn't blocking Vanguard. So first you go to the search bar, type Allow an app through Windows Firewall. So click on that. Once you've done that, browse for Valorant.exe. It should be somewhere here, and here it is. Now, once you've found it, you go to Valorant, live Valorant.exe. You select it by clicking open. You add it. And then once you've added it, make sure that private and public are both checked. Once you've made sure that they are checked, click the OK box to save the changes. Repeat this for the right client services.exe as well. So let me do that right here, right client services.exe. You click on open, add, and make sure that both private and public are checked. And once they are, you press OK and you save it. And for the last step, you enable secure boot mode in BIOS. Lastly, make sure your secure boot mode is enabled in BIOS. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI setup by pressing F2, F10, or escape key during startup. Find the secure boot option and enable it, and once you're done, save the changes and exit the BIOS. And there you have it. One of these should have helped you fix the error code VAN79 in Valorant. Thank you very much.